hi there. So raise a hand if you would like to learn how to use that great new Mindomo mind map that you just created. Hey look, Firefly is raising a paw, so let's do it. So here it is. We spent a bit of time on this. We put a lot of detail, we put ideas, we put pictures, and now we're ready to put it to work. There's two things that you can do with this. Sometimes your teacher might ask you to submit your ideas. Brainstorming is a really useful skill. So you can actually take this file and attach it to a Google Classroom assignment. Here's how you do that. Remember when I said that your file is actually saved in your Google Drive? Here it is, my cats. Now all I have to do is go to my Google Classroom assignment, Monday writing assignment, and then I can add or create. Click, and I can go to my Google Drive, and I can either locate it in my Google Drive, or if it was one of the last things that I've done, I can just click and add. Now it's attached to my assignment, and when I turn it in, my teacher can see my brainstorm Mindomo mind map. So that's one thing. The second thing I can also do is I can use this to help me with my writing. Here are all my ideas. And now I just have to put it into paragraph form in a Google Doc. So have you seen the video that I created on how to split your screen? Pretty cool. I'm just going to do it real quick. And I'm going to drag this out, and this is going to be on this half of my screen. And this is going to be on this half, like that. So now when I'm writing on my Google Doc on the right-hand side of my screen, I can be looking at my ideas in my Mindomo mind map on the left. So I won't forget any of the ideas that I brainstormed. And I can even write about Garfield if I want to. So that's a couple ways that you can put your Mindomo mind map to work. Why don't you give it a try? Why don't you give it a try right now?